some milk, many friends, a little time, a few apples. Do you know how to talk about amounts in English? Today we master quantities. Let's go! Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Some, any, much, many. These small words cause big confusion. But today I will make it simple and clear. Let's start with the key rule. Section 1. Countable and uncountable nouns. First, you need to understand this difference. Countable nouns, you can count them. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. A friend, 2 friends. Uncountable nouns, you cannot count them. Water, milk, rice. Money, information. You cannot say 1 water or 2 rices. You say some water or a glass of water. This rule is the key to everything else. Section 2. Some, any, no. Some. Use in positive sentences and offers. I have some bread. Would you like some tea? Any. Use in questions and negative sentences. Do you have any milk? I don't have any money. No. Use for 0 in 1 word. There is no sugar in the cupboard. Quick rule. Positive sentence, some. Question or negative, any. 0, no. Simple. Practice with 3 sentences right now. Section 3. Much, many, a lot of, a few, a little. Much for uncountable nouns in questions and negatives. How much time do you have? I don't have much money. Many for countable nouns in questions and negatives. How many apples are there? There aren't many students. A lot of for both. Use in positive sentences. I have a lot of friends. She drinks a lot of water. A few. A small number of countable things. Positive feeling. I have a few friends visiting. A little. A small amount of uncountable things. Positive feeling. I have a little time now. Summary. Few, many for countable. Little, much for uncountable. Recap. Countable. Apple, friend. Uncountable. Water, milk, money. Some, any, no. Positive, question, negative, 0. Much, many, a lot of. A few, a little. Your challenge. Write 3 sentences using some, many, and a little. Post them in the comments. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.